Welcome to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel. Today's topic: 5 top high income skills. Many people are asking that what are the high income skills that can develop today and that will free people from financial struggles and worries forever. High income skills don't mean a high income job. It is a very particular skill set that you can develop to the marketplace. Number 1. YouTube. The power of being a YouTuber is a great income skill. It takes a little while to get it going, but once you get it going, you can essence revenue. You can also share your passion and hobbies. It is a good way to make a living. You can help people. You can also see how your videos, how your messages, how your stories is impacting people all around the world. I think that's a pretty special high income skill. Number 2. Digital marketing. Digital marketing includes all marketing attempts using an electronic device or the internet. Businesses use digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to communicate with present and prospective clients. You can help people to manage Facebook, Instagram, and any of the social media platform. You can charge a good amount of money helping them with this. You are helping entrepreneurs to make money. Number 3. Communication skill. Communication skills enable you to comprehend and be understood by others. It will help you to share your thoughts with others, participating in decisions, providing and receiving critical feedback, and public speaking. You will not be able to create wealth without being a good communicator. Number 4. Consulting and coaching. Consulting can charge thousands for their service because their time is valued when they help a client see a transformation in their business or life. Number 5. Copywriting. Copywriting for those who do not understand the art of selling through words, the act of composing the text for advertising or other type of marketing. If you want to become a copywriter, you'll find a suitable mentor online or offline. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and share to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel.